Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to use Google Search Console to optimize your website SEO. First, log into your Google Search Console account. Then make sure to select the correct property from here or website from this list. And then go to Performance. Here you will see a chart with useful info that you can see. First, make sure to check all of those options like clicks, impressions, CTR, and average position. And then look back here or look down here, and you will see queries that your website is already optimized or already ranking for. In my case, for example, this keyword called infinity free WordPress, my website got 0 clicks is ranked the number 42 position. Here, for SEO, from my experience, I recommend you, since if you are new to SEO optimization, I recommend you to first click on position to get double 2 times to get the easy to rank for keywords. For example, in my case, this keyword called YouTube channel login, my website is ranked number position 5. So click on the keyword here like that, and now this table switches to only this keyword, and directly you will land on the pages tab. This is the page that my website is ranking for this query or keyword. I can also check the countries that this page is ranking for, and now you can start optimizing. And by optimizing, you can simply copy this keyword like that. For example, YouTube channel login, copy it, then go to ChatGPT and ask it, I want my website to, or I want to optimize my website ranking for this keyword. Give me related keywords and write me a blog post for it. For example, as you see, those are the primary variations with long tail keywords. As you see, the primary keyword is YouTube channel login. This is it. Login to YouTube channel, YouTube login channel, how to log into YouTube channel. Those are primary variations, and those are long tail keywords. How to log in into YouTube channel, YouTube Studio login on desktop, on mobile without password, YouTube channel login with Google account. All of those are keywords that I can target. And this is an SEO optimized blog post for this keyword. Complete beginners, how YouTube channel login works, how to log into YouTube channel on desktop, YouTube Studio on mobile. So this is for brand accounts, and this is Q&A. So this is a useful, this is a really good blog post. Now what I will do, I will go to the pages tab, open this page, then I will I will log into my WordPress dashboard. In order to update this page, I will click on it again, refresh, then click on in order to see this edit post button. Now what I will do, I will keep this video here and delete the old chain content like that, and this process, I will copy this blog post and like that, then paste it here As you see, this is it. And of course, I recommend you to add external links to make your website look authoritative. Add the YouTube link, add it here, youtube.com. My bad. Same thing for studio, this link. My bad. Where is YouTube Studio? This is it. Add link. Add link. Hit enter. YouTube app. Let's look for the YouTube app link. This is the YouTube app. Add another link here. This way Google sees, or yes, see that my article is really helpful. Now that I added the external links, click on save, view post again, and this is how it looks like. It is optimized for those keywords. And here in this request, instead of only write me a blog post for it, or ask ChatGPT to write a blog post targeting those related keywords. Now copy this updated page URL like that, go back to Google Search Console and paste it here in inspect any URL to let Google search or Google in general knows that this page is updated with new data. After filling or after pasting your URL here, hit enter. I forgot to say it. Now, as you see, this URL is already indexed on Google. Yes, I know this. Click on request indexing again and wait a moment. As you see, indexing requested URL was added to a priority crawl queue. Submitting a page multiple times will not change its queue position or priority. Now click on dismiss, go back to the, just return to the page. And now from this time you can, in order to remember which keywords you are working on, you can click on or show the bookmark bar and create a folder with keywords that you are targeting. And don't forget to add this or favor this page with, for example, create a new folder, call it ranking or my website ranking. And for each page, fill in the primary keyword. For example, in this case, YouTube channel login. Paste it here. And from now on, you can check a folder with all the keyword you are targeting. And of course, you will see the ranking development specifically for this keyword and page because it is selected from here like that. And this is how to optimize your website SEO ranking using Google Search Console. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.